We wood filled and Hank Vanden. We're gonna sand this whole thing.
Me and Mom, not just
Get to work.
Yeah. And then we're going to do
Mom,
spray
no,
paint
hard
some
to
primer.
get down to the actual color of the wood. I don't think I could do that.
That's okay. We don't need to get down to the color of the wood. We just need this nice and flat. So just do it just like that. Very good. Thank you. Remember what Dad said about the corners. Yep, there you go. Okay, I can help you.
Imagine if I just obeyed his rules.
I really like these legs, so I'm going to tape them off. Got those all taped off. Stand this up and I'm going to prime it.
Stand back a little bit, buddy.
Just get the inside hang.
It's kind of tricky, bud.
Come over here. And do this side. There you go. Closer.
He's just trying to graffiti it. Watch your mom. You're just trying to graffiti it.
Like that. Hands off.
Okay, you guys need clothes on, so.
I have clothes on. And I do. No, you don't.
Yeah, stay inside the camper.
I accidentally poked June in the eye. It was on accident, and it wasn't on purpose.
Okay, go play. Stay in the fort and quit whining, both of you.
Oh, you can see me?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to start the ribbon portion of my desk. I'll
Here you
lay
go.
this down.
Hey, kiddos.
I want to watch.
Okay, but can you maybe give her some room?
Dude.
I think I'll just do a bunch of white to start.
That's our personal.
I'm going to clean it.
Bounce, bounce.
Whatever. Thanks, stop.
Tiptoe, tiptoe. Hey guys, look what I got here. Look at it. Look at it. Maybe add a little more of that. Can I have some of these?
June, paint with what you have.
I like how every time you pour it, like they widen out when you pour in it. I know who it was. Yeah! No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. Yeah. It wasn't me, June, I swear. Yes, it was. You were lying. No, I'm not. Okay, it was me.
Wow, this turned out really purple. Huh.
It's cool though.
This looks cool. It's all good. We'll clean it off. Thanks, get your thumbs.
Oh, it's moving now.
Actually, you could just wipe that off. I know, I think I'll just wipe it off. Yeah, because then